eBacon How-To, Creating a Prime Account. Learning Objective. You will learn how to set up an eBacon Prime account and create a login with a username and password. Welcome to eBacon. You've been invited to create a free eBacon Prime account. Let's get started. First, click Create Account. Here's the new client registration page. You can view the website or read some client success stories. When you're ready, click Next. Here's the company info. Fill out your company name, phone number, address, city, state, zip code, and employer identification number. Then click Next. Here's the user setup. Fill out your name, phone number, birth date, your job title, an email, the last 4 of your social, and create a password. Keep in mind that the email you provide here will act as your username when you log in. When you're ready, click Next. Here is the settings page. You can choose your weekend day, the payroll system you use, the accounting system you use, how you generate certified payroll, how you collect time, and the states that you work in. When you're ready, click Next. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an eBacon Prime account. If you need further assistance, call 833-4-eBacon or email customer service at subhelp@ebacon.com. Now you can sign in with the username and password you created in your user setup.